Hey everyone, today we'll be starting with the next exercise, that is 2.5. But before starting with the exercise, we will go through with some identities. That means x plus a, x plus b. The identity is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. A plus b a minus b I have taught you earlier also. A square minus b square. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. We have learned these identities earlier also in previous classroom also. So we'll start with exercise. Exercise 2.5, first question. Find the product by using suitable identity. We have to find the product by using the identity now. See the identity which I just not told you. X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. This x is x, this 4 is a. Keep your eyes in it. X is x, b is 10 right now. A ki value 4, b is 10. Got it? Now put these values in this formula. That means x square will remain as it is. A plus b, 4 plus 10, x outside, plus a into b. 4 tens are 40. So the polynomial becomes x square plus 4 plus 10, 14x plus 40. Got it? Second part. X plus 8, x minus 10. Here a is equal to 8 and b is equal to minus 10. Just look it very carefully. Yes or no? Again put the values of a and b and find the answer. See to it very carefully. 8 plus minus 10 plus minus minus. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Got it? See the third part. 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Here x is 3x, a is 4, x is again 3x as we can see, and b is minus 5. Got it? Yes or no? So x is 3x, a is 4, b is minus 5. Put the value. In place of x, you will write 3x ka square. 3x ka square. You will replace x by 3x because in the question, it is giving 3x. 4 plus minus 5 plus minus minus. In the next step, you can see in place of x, write 3x. 4 into minus 5, that is a into b, minus 20 plus minus minus. 9x square plus minus minus 3x minus 20. Look it very carefully. One of the very good question. See the fourth part. I am giving you all the solutions because you should know how to do each and every part. Y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. There is an identity. A plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. Here a is y square and b is 3 by 2. That put these values in a square minus b square in the identity. A square y square ka square minus 3 by 2 ka square. Y square का square exercise 1.6 remember a की पावर b की पावर whole की पावर n a की पावर b a की पावर m की पावर n is equal to a की पावर m into n. Remember same here also. Y की पावर 4 minus 3 का square 9, 2 का square 4. The answer is y square minus 9 by 4. Sorry, y की पावर 4 minus 9 by 4. Got it? Look at it very carefully. The fifth part, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. Here a is 3, b is minus 2x. Sorry, b is 2x. Because a minus b, a plus b. The formula says a square minus b square. A square minus b square. 3 square minus 2x ka square. So 3 square is 9, 2x ka square is 4x square. Do question number 1 very carefully now. See question number 2. One of the simplest question based on the previous identity which we have right now done. 1 into 3, 1 into 7. 103 into 107. Yes, I can write 100 as 100 plus 3 and 107 as 100 plus 7. The identity will become x plus a, x plus b. Identity you all know, x square plus bracket a plus b, bracket band x plus a into b. Here x is 100, a is 3, b is 7. I put the values and find the answer. See the second part. 95 into 96. 95 into 96. I can write it as 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4. 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4. X plus a, x plus b. The things are totally changed. Here x is 100, a is minus 5, b is minus 4. I have put the values as a की value minus 5, b minus 4, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 into 100 minus 900. This so you can easily solve. Minus 5 minus 4 plus 20, minus minus plus, plus 20, and I have solved it. Got it? Don't confuse in the minus sign. Just take the value a as minus 5 and b as minus 4. Okay? Third part also I have done it for you. 104 into 96. Very easy part. 100 plus 4, 100 minus 4. A plus b, a minus b. Identity is a square minus b square. I have done it. 100 square minus 4 ka square. 10,000 minus 16. Answer is 9984. Got it? The last question of today. Question number 3. Factorize by using appropriate identity. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. I have told you the formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b ka square. I have to make this in a comprised form. I have to make it in the comprised form. Compress kar dena hai hum. The whole identity I have to compress it. I can write 9x square as 3x ka square. 6xy. 2x is 3x into y plus y square as it is. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b. That means a plus b. 3x plus y. 3x plus y ka whole square, or 3x plus y, 3x plus y. Now see 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Minus sign is coming. That means this identity we have to use. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b का whole square. 4y square as 2y square लिख सकता हूँ. Yes or no? 2 into a into b 1 plus 1 square. Got it? So what it will become? 2y minus 1. See the sign here. If it is minus, you will put in the formula minus. If it is plus, you put the formula in the formula plus. 2y minus 1 whole square, 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1, I can write it. The last question, x square minus y square upon 100. I can write it as y upon 10 ka whole square. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Now do these questions very nicely. God bless you all of you.